Hey there, so today is the day when we will start programming using Java. I have already started Eclipse. Here is Eclipse and here is our welcome page. So I will close the welcome page by unchecking this option, always show welcome at startup. Alright, and let me also show you the default perspective real quick. So let me reset the perspective. So when you will start Eclipse, it will show like this. So I will modify this a little. I will make the project explorer little narrow and I will also minimize this outline panel. So this looks good to me. Moving forward, I will click on this file menu. We will navigate to new and we will select on project. So this looks good to me. Let me maximize this and we will select on Java project. I will give the naming convention which we follow at Steady Easy, and then the name of the project would be Hello World. Alright, so this seems good to me. Let us click on next. Alright, so everything seems to be good enough. Let us click on no. Alright, so this looks good to me. And here is this folder src. I will highlight this particular folder, right click, navigate to new, and we will select class. Alright, and the name of the class could be like hello. We would require the main method, so I will check this option, public static void main method. We will click on finish and this will give us this sweet looking window. Let me pause this video and I will be increasing the font of this code. Here we go. So now we have a larger font for better visibility. Let me get rid of this auto generated stub. Alright, so now in order to print hello world on the console, it is pretty simple. I will simply type in sysout and I will hit Control plus space for autocomplete. And here is the autocomplete. Whenever we would like to print anything on our console, then we must use system.out.println. Println is the method, and inside this pair of parentheses we will simply type in hello world. Alright, so this seems to be good enough. Let me save this program and let me run this program. Now in order to run this particular Java file, I can highlight this Java file, right click, navigate to run as, and we can run this as Java application. So this will run this and we can see the output on the console in here. So the output is hello world. Alternatively, if we would like to execute this Java file, then we can highlight this Java file first of all. So on the foreground here is the Java file which is opened. Then we can click on this sweet looking button which says run, and this will also execute our Java file. So that seems to be good enough. Alright, so moving forward, let us quickly check what exactly do we mean by system.out.println. Now what is system? System is a class. What is out? Out is a field, but consider out as a subclass. And finally, we have the println method, and whatever value we will pass to this println method as a string, the exact value would be printed on the console. This particular notation can do much more than this, and we will check how we can make use of this system.out.println in a greater detail in the forthcoming videos. Now friends, there could be many confusions in your mind that why main method needs to be prefixed with system static void, or what exactly is this particular notation. So there could be many confusion in your mind, but don't worry, we will cover step by step these small little details as well, and by the end of this course I am pretty sure that you will be confident in Java. I hope you guys enjoyed this sweet little program and I will catch you in the next video. Right, take care.